John, who's been a bit of a hero in all of this recycling world, is about to retire. And John runs a company called It's Not Over Until It's Over, and he gives small companies the opportunity to recycle their waste into a new yarn. And he works predominantly with wool, but what we really wanted to do and what we started with this project was taking really local wool and putting that with a recycled cotton that's from our factory waste. But it's really difficult to do that. Cotton is not recyclable in the UK. So that's really where that becomes a challenge. But I'm sure that we're going to get there. But right now we've got to try and get this project done before John retires. We're quite late in the season, so so British Wool has nearly auctioned off all of its wool, but it managed to find some of Julia's wool. And there was loads of hog in there. And hog is basically like the first shearing from the lambs, and because it was quite a wet season, the lambs then didn't get sheared for quite late in the season, so when the guys were looking at it, when they opened the packet, they were like, oh, not only is it lots of hog, but it's also very long fibre. So that's kind of like ideal for John's project, because you get a long fibre, which makes it easier to when it comes to the next part of the process, and it also means that you've got lots of the lamb's wool in there, so it's really soft. So it's the perfect combination.